Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to trim audio in Audacity. So if you've got extra silence, mistakes, or just messy edges in your recording, this is the fastest way to clean it up. First, open Audacity and bring in your audio file. You can drag and drop it directly, or go to File, then Import, then Audio. Next, play through your audio and find the parts you don't need. Usually it's silence at the beginning, the end, or small mistakes in between. Watch the waveform while you listen so you can see where the sound starts and stops. Now click and drag over the section you want to remove. If it's just the beginning or end, zoom in a bit so you can be more precise. Yeah, small selections make a cleaner edit. Once the unwanted part is selected, just press Delete on your keyboard. The audio will close the gap automatically. If you want to keep only a section, you can also use Trim Audio from the Edit menu. After trimming, listen back to make sure everything sounds natural. If you hear clicks or rough cuts, you can use a small fade in or fade out to smooth things out. And that's how you trim audio in Audacity. Just select, delete, and fine-tune the edges. Once you do it a couple times, it gets really quick and easy.